welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato skins. I'm going to show you how to make one be served as an appetizer and one to go along with your dinner. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, you'll get all my notifications. I'm going to do two different things. I'm going to make potatoes like an appetizer, and then I'm going to make a full potato like they do at Chili's. So you poke holes in all of them like this, and then you're going to spray oil on all of them and put in the oven. You're going to put them in the oven at 400 for an hour. See here, listen to this. See how hard the crust is? That's what you want. Oh, perfect. Okay. Let these cool off, and we'll cut them in half and scoop out the potato, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I cut all the potatoes in half, and they're still pretty hot, and now I'm going to scoop out the centers. Okay, it's pretty good right there. Okay, they're pretty well scraped out. I didn't scrape all of it out because I like the taste of the potato. So now I'm going to cut the bottoms flat. Cut the bottom like that. That way it'll set up. The little ones, I don't cut the bottoms off. I just turn them upside down. The bigger ones, I do cut the bottoms off like this. Just enough to make them set up. The red ones I'm not worried about. I'm trying to make an hors d'oeuvre out of them, and this is a bigger slice. Okay, so I'm going to spray the little potatoes, and then this is the big potatoes. I'm going to spray both of them, and they're going back in the oven, which I turned down to 350. We're going to go in for another 20-25 minutes. I'm going to spray them like that. Now this is my idea. I like to make appetizers for my parties, so I decided to use the smaller potatoes, and these are red potatoes, and so then you can put them on a plate, and then people can pick them up with their hands and just eat them that way. Cook it in the oven. Okay, so now these baked in the oven for additional 20-25 minutes. They're nice and crispy, so I'm going to turn them all over now. So these would be like hors d'oeuvres, like you could sit them on a platter, and then your guests could come up and pick them up by hand. So you put bacon and cheese in there. Cheese. So now they all have cheese. Does that look good? Now this bacon I made in the microwave. I put bacon between two pieces of paper towel and then put it in for 5 minutes. You could use bacon bits if you want. Okay, these going back in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes till the cheese is melted. These are the bigger ones. I'm going to turn them over. I think these are more for like if you had a couple friends in and not a lot of people to feed. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Put cheese in there. Just a bigger bite. If I had somebody over for dinner, I would make these like it's an appetizer, but I would make the smaller ones if I had like if I'm having a football party, I would have like the littler ones. Bacon, I just put it in the microwave and it got crispy like this, and I just break it up with my fingers, breaking it up like that with my hands. So I'm going to pop these back in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. Okay, they're done out of the oven. They were in there about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to put them on a cute little platter and wait for the gas to come. So I'm going to put a dab of whipped cream on each of them.